I love this and this and this and this. I got one and this one.
Is it sizzling?
No, little pepper.
What is it going? Shh.
Oh, it's big.
There you go. It's okay. Put some more in.
Baby doll, put some more in the pan. Here you go. Which piece? Do you want this piece? This piece?
Drop some on the ground.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I get it for you. Here you go.
So what are you making?
Smells better to do this. Just smell it.
I want a pepper, so eat more pepper. I want some pepper, so eat it now on this one. And to the orange cheese.
That looks so yummy.
And this was over this one. And then this one.
Can you do what Daddy's doing? Show us, Daddy.
Hannah, can you do this?
Oh yeah, this one.
Obviously not.
I'll do this.
And did you cut up these peppers all by yourself?
All peppers and eat itself. And then one and this one cup. Okay, this one, okay, this one, this one, this one. I love this one.
Alright. Is it going? Oh goodness, look at you. You're doing such a good job. Whoa, that was cool.